And if a nigga bag me, you know he a winner. Ain't never been with a chick this bad.
Hey YouTube, my name is Kayla Kalucci, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do this natural glam. Okay, so first I start with the fresh face, and now I'm just applying some rose water just to add extra hydration to my skin. Alright, so now I'm going to just jump right into my foundation routine. I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to just add an extra layer of protection for my skin for the foundation. Now I'm using my foundation in the color Almond from Hourglass as a stick foundation. And what I'm doing is just blending that all in until it's super seamless. Like, that's the key to makeup, is just make sure you blend it all together. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige to highlight my face. Now that I got my concealer on, I let it dry just for a few seconds, just so I can add extra coverage for my full glam. As you can see, I'm just blending out all of my foundation into my concealer, just so we won't have any of those harsh lines or anything. To set my concealer, I'm using my Kat Von D translucent powder. To contour my face, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm just mixing these two colors together. I'm contouring to add back dimension in my face, because you know they got laws for putting that foundation and all that on there. So basically this is just going to bring life back to me. To sculpt my contour, I'm using the same Kat Von D powder, and I'm just using that along my jawline. As my makeup is setting, I like to do little touch-ups. If there was any little imperfections, I like to go back and fix it. And right now, I'm just putting on my eyeliner and touching everything up. I'm just using this mascara just to prep my lashes. I did put on my lashes off camera, but this is my first video, so just give me a little break. So right now I'm just blending out all of my highlight and my contour and just making everything come all together. So to make my bottom lashes pop a bit, I'm just adding a little bit of mascara. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll be sure to have more videos on my makeup looks in the future. Just be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a great one. Bye.